So here we've got our tax table, and one of the things that we have to do is be able to work out income tax. So if, say for example, we start off with somebody who's not particularly a high earner. Say for example they earn $10,000 a year. $10,000 a year puts you in this tax bracket here, which means to say that we are not going to be paying any tax. So here, this would be pay no tax. Let's try a different one. Now we're going to try, say for example, somebody that earns, for simplicity reasons, $47,000 per annum. Okay? So what we do is we think, which tax bracket do they go into? They are in this tax bracket here. So they pay $3,572 plus 32.5 cents for each dollar over 37,000. So how many dollars over 37,000 do they earn? So just by chance, it's a really easy number. So you can see how many dollars do they earn over 37,000? They earn $10,000 over $37,000. Perfect. So now they pay 32.5% on that $10,000. So we go as a decimal 0.325 times 10,000. Okay. Is that enough money? No. They also have to pay this money as well. That, and whatever that answer is, will be our final answer. That's how much tax they have to pay. It might ask us as well, what is their net income? So this here is their gross income. When we've worked out our tax, when we subtract it away from the gross income, that is the net income. It's the income after tax. Let's just try another one of those. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have a go at another one. If somebody earns a gross income of $100,000, I'm picking really easy numbers here. So which tax bracket do they go into? They're in this tax bracket here. So they pay $17,547 plus 37% for every dollar over 80,000. So again, how many dollars do they earn over 80,000? Neaten that up. They earn $20,000 over 80,000. So now we need to find out 37% of $20,000. 0.37 times 20,000. Okay, whatever that is that enough money? No, the tax, we also have to pay this amount of money in tax on top of that. Okay, and that is how much tax we need to pay. You can see also a pattern here. You can see that if we're a low income earner, we don't pay a lot of tax. And the further up we more money we earn, the higher the rate of tax we have to pay on each level. Okay, so yeah, so that's one of the things that we have to really focus on. So if, say for example, we are a really high earner and we earn somewhere in the region of $200,000 a year before tax, then our top $20,000 would be about 45% tax we'd be paying on that. Okay, but we're not paying 45% on all of our money, we're just paying 45% on the top $20,000. Okay, so you might need to watch this video a couple of times because it is very tricky to understand. And one of the other things you need to focus on as well is that these values here change year by year by year. So this is from the year 2020 out of our textbook, but in a couple of years' time these numbers will have changed. Okay, so just bear that in mind.